Hey dolls, let's jump straight into it. I'm starting with my shampoo, of course, and I'm using the Do Grow Mega Thick shampoo. I have my hair split into 8 sections, and I'm gonna make sure that I really work this shampoo into every section. I got tons of suds, and my scalp felt really clean after only the first wash. The Do Grow Mega Thick shampoo and conditioner helps to thicken and strengthen your hair. It cleanses while also moisturizing and is made with shea oil, oat proteins, and botanical thickeners to help reduce breakage and repair weak hair. I usually focus on my scalp, but for protective styles, I like to shampoo my ends too. And I use the conditioner the same way that I do the shampoo. I make sure that it's evenly distributed and that I'm working it into every single section. And then I take the twist out one by one, detangle, and wrap them back into a Bantu knot. Sometimes I skip this step, but again, for protective styles, moisture is key, and I want to make sure that my hair is 100% moisturized. And then I do a quick rinse and squeeze out any excess conditioner before I jump into my deep conditioner. So now that my hair is detangled and has a lot of slip from the conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth the deep treatment onto each section. The Mega Thick Intense Repair is a rebuilding, thickening, deep treatment that uses ingredients like aloe vera to instill moisture. It also helps to reduce breakage, promotes growth, and length retention. I'm making sure my hair is completely covered in this treatment from roots to ends, and then I'm gonna let it sit under my shower cap for about 10 minutes. And once I rinse it out, I can always tell when a deep conditioner actually works for my hair when my curls clump without any product in it. I've been working with the same 8 sections while washing my hair, and before I get out the shower, I'm gonna tie each section down and roll it into a Bantu knot. This is gonna help stretch my hair so that I don't have to use any excess heat later. And now we're ready to prep. Once it's dry, I take my Bantu knots out and I can instantly tell that my hair is moisturized, it's defined, it's bouncy with no product in it. And this is a result of using effective wash day products like the Do Grow Mega Thick collection. I combed through the first section with my fingers and decided that I wanted to stretch it a little bit, just a little bit. So I used the tension method with my blow dryer on low, and I was able to blow dry my hair in a quarter of the time since my hair was already stretched and sectioned from the Bantu knots. And now I'm gonna take out my scrunchies and define my parts. I'm straightening out the parts by my ear to separate the front and the back section. And then I split the back into 3 sections. Sorry dolls, my camera was out of focus, but I did want to show you the 3 rows that I made in the back. And now that prep is done, it's time to protect. The Hair Vitalizer is made with a unique blend of herbal extracts and shea butter. It moisturizes and provides conditioning for dry hair, scalp, and your edges, and promotes shine without leaving behind a greasy residue. So I'm taking a little bit of the Hair Vitalizer and I'm gonna moisturize the entire section, especially the ends. And I know we love a good protective style, so make sure you're taking the necessary steps to ensure that your hair is moisturized, sealed, and properly protected. And now I'm gonna part and rubber band my hair for the twist. So I showed you dolls that I have 3 sections in the back. The first row is gonna get 4 twists, the second row is also gonna get 4 twists, and the top row is gonna get 3. And now I'm gonna go back in with the Hair Vitalizer to moisturize the front of my hair. I'm also gonna rub this into my temples and my edges. I'm also gonna focus this on the crown area because that is more prone to breakage, especially under a protective style. So this front section is gonna have 6 twists. I'm gonna split the entire section in half, and the bottom piece is gonna get 3 twists, and then the top row is gonna be split into 3 again. And when you do start to rubber band each section, this is when you can use any gel or edge control that you prefer. But I do realize that the Hair Vitalizer is a moisturizing formula that mixes well with other products and doesn't turn white when you layer it. I wasn't even trying to part with my nails. I was just making sure that the sections were going to be even before I put the rubber bands on. But they came out really straight with just my nails, so I just went with it. And now I am finally done parting. I have 23 twists altogether. I have 6 twists in each front section and 11 twists in the back. And now it's time to twist. For my passion twist, I'm using water wave crochet hair. I'm going to take the crochet needle and slide it under the rubber band diagonally, hook the hair onto the needle, pull it through, then I'm going to hold one side of the crochet hair while I pull the other side completely through. And then I just split my hair in half and start to tuture and twist. This is hands down one of the easiest protective styles I've ever done. It's literally your basic tuture and twist with some hair added. And that's what I did for all 23 twists. I took my crochet needle and slid it under the rubber band diagonally, hooked my crochet hair on, pulled it through, held the crochet hair from one side while I pulled the other side completely through, and then started to tuture and twist. And I stop twisting when I get towards the ends so that I can leave a curl loose. And to complete this look, I'm gonna go in with the Mega Thick Formula hair oil and put this all throughout my parts, and I'm gonna gently press it in with my finger. I don't wanna rub my scalp and cause any frizz. And the Mega Thick Formula hair oil is made with a blend of metal foam seed oil and vitamins to help manage brittleness, tame frizz, and add shine. It's also free of parabens, silicones, and mineral oil, and safe to use on braids, weaves, and even relaxed hair. I did this in one night, and with products like the Do Grow hair oil and hair vitalizer, I know that my hair is protected under my style. So these are all the products that I use for this style, and guess what? I'm gonna do a giveaway for you dolls and let one of you pick any 4 products from Do Grow that you wanna try for your hair. All you have to do is make sure that you're following Do Grow on their Instagram and Facebook. Of course, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also following me on IG. Then go ahead and comment below with any blue emoji so I know that you entered. And that's it, dolls. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but more importantly, I hope y'all learned something. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.